If you want to grow your email list and capture leads automatically, creating sign-up forms in Klaviyo is essential. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create sign-up forms in Klaviyo step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a form ready to collect emails from your website visitors. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Sign Up Forms section. This is where you can create and manage all your forms. Click on Create Sign Up Form. You'll see different types of forms like pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms. Choose the type that best fits your website. For beginners, a pop-up form is the most effective. Next, select a template. Klaviyo provides pre-designed templates that you can customize easily. Pick one that matches your brand style. Now, you'll enter the form editor. Here, you can customize the text, colors, images, and fields. Add a strong headline, a short description, and a clear call to action like subscribe or get discount. Make sure to include an email field so you can collect addresses. You can also add optional fields like name or phone number, but keep it simple to increase conversions. After designing the form, connect it to a list. This ensures that all subscribers from this form are added to your chosen email list. Next, set up targeting and behavior rules. You can decide when the form appears, such as after a few seconds, when a user scrolls, or when they're about to exit the page. This helps improve engagement without annoying visitors. You can also set display frequency so users don't see the form too often. Before publishing, preview your form on both desktop and mobile to make sure it looks good. Then click Publish to make it live on your website. Once live, your form will start collecting emails automatically. In this tutorial, we learned how to create sign-up forms in Klaviyo by choosing a form type, customizing it, connecting it to a list, and publishing it. This helps you build your email list and grow your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.